Prior to oral appliance therapy, what were your symptoms?
I was snoring a lot, at least that's what my wife was telling me, whether that's true or not, but she sure claimed it was true. So,
What other treatments for your sleep apnea snoring have you tried, and how did they make you feel?
I did try using one of these ones that you order over the internet, which my advice on that is don't waste the $100 or $200 on it because they don't work. So,
How have your symptoms improved with wearing your oral appliance?
the snorings went down to pretty much nothing. Every once in a while she'll hear just a little bit of a whistle, but that's pretty minor, so she's really happy with it. And yeah, and I feel better in the morning. So,
Do you have any advice for those on the fence about seeking treatment with an oral sleep appliance?
if sleep apnea is something that you're hereditarily blessed with, I would get after it as young as you can. Just get it under control because it works, and once you get through the whole system, it works good, and these guys take care of you really well. So.